Hello and welcome. This is Peter from Sunny Valley Studio, and I'm here to announce that I have recently created a new course on Udemy called City Builder Game in Unity 2019 using best coding practices. It teaches you how to use good coding practices. So what are solid principles, what is object-oriented programming, how to refactor your code, how to use unit testing. And you will end up with something like this. We will introduce a scriptable object structure for storing your data, and we will have unit tests for all of the code, and the end product will be this simple city builder game, more or less a prototype of the game, but nevertheless you will be able to create your own game if you want to based on this. And this is completely free for you for the next 2 days, so there will be a link in the description, and this is just my way to say thank you for becoming a subscriber to my channel. It is about 12.5 hours long. I'm currently uploading the last section about the economy in the game. So I hope you guys get the most out of this course and you learn a lot about good coding practices. Let me know what you think about this course by leaving a comment on this video or leaving a rating about the course. Thank you very much for watching. Take care.